Good morning, students. Today I am going to the EVS class. We start the new lesson. The lesson number 5. Flowers, colors. You know, students, flowers, multicolors of flowers and different types of flowers. In this lesson, we are discussing about in the flowers and flower colors. Okay. In this lesson, we all discusses different kinds of flowers and shapes, colors, petals and fragrance. Which flowers have given the which type of fragrance? Okay. Let us start read the lesson. One lovely morning, many girls in the school had plaited their hair and wore jasmine flowers on their plaits. Here, plaits means in Kannada, jedi. Kudledu, jedi in Kannada. Plaits, what they have? Are telling in the morning, plaits with the hair. Plaits means in Kannada, jedi. Okay. They are telling many girls wore jasmine flowers on their plates. Then teacher, oh, there is a good fragrance in this room. Then teacher come in the classroom. Where is the fragrance is coming here? Is so much fragrance. Fragrance means in Kannada suhasane. Malligi hoodu suhasane. Isn't it? Yes? You know that? Fragrance? Fragrance means suhasane. In Hindi, khushbu. Good. Okay, next. Next, Hasina. Sir, some girls have jasmine flowers on their plates. Hasina says, what she will say, sir? Some of the girls have wore the jasmine flower, have their plates. There is a so much fragrance here, Hasina say. Next, Vijaya. Yes, now it is the seasons of jasmine flowers, isn't it? Vijaya will say, now it is a seasons of jasmine flower, isn't it? She will ask. Seasons of many kinds, children. For every season, many distinct fruits and distinct flowers. Then, teacher, in summer there is jasmine. In rainy season there is dahlia, and in winter there is chrysanthemum. Thus there are different flowers in different season. Afterwards, Vijaya, teacher says, as chrysanthemum means it is the one of the name of flower. Chrysanthemum means flower names in Kannada. Sevantige hoo. What is that? Sevantige hoo is called chrysanthemum flower. Teacher says in different season we get different flowers. Okay. In the summer season we get the jasmine flower. In the winter season we get chrysanthemum flower. Okay. Next, one of the activity they have given below. Make a list of flowers available in your locality. In which season are they available? Why do people use them? Collect information about this and write in this table. Children, you do this one of the activities. First, for example, write the one of the name of flower. For example, which flower? Jasmine flower. And next, plant, bush, tree, creeper. So name of the jasmine flower. So small one plant. Write the plant and put right mark or plant. And season which one available? In a summer season. Use so many uses of jasmine flower. For example, decorated or in functions mostly girls wear the jasmine flowers on your plates, our plates. Okay. So next another one activities here. Collect the flowers that are available in your locality. Observe them carefully and write their characteristics in this table. First in this table, name of the flower, color, shape, number of petals and fragrance, yes or no. Okay. First you write down one of the flower name. For example, you took the jasmine flower, you write the first column, name of the flower jasmine and the color of the jasmine white and the shape it may be round and you can draw to round and number of petals you can count and the number of the petals and write here and fragrance is coming. Yes or no? Yes, fragrance is coming. For other flowers, you should do the same things. Okay. Next, teacher, come let's go to the nearby garden and get introduced to a varieties of flowers. But nobody should pick flowers. All of them went to the garden. So teacher walking all the children to the garden and he is warning them nobody should pick up the flowers. And he is telling go to the garden, we can see so many flowers, varieties of flowers and different kinds of flowers as well. So next Hasina. Oh, so many flowers blossom. The garden looks very beautiful. There is also a signboard, don't pick up flowers. Then Hasina, after seeing the garden, she will say, who see there so many flowers they have blossom. Next, teacher, yes. Follow that instructions. You also practice growing flowers near your home and the school. Teacher says instructions. Instruction means what some things, rules and regulations. That is called instruction. Okay. Teacher says the follow then instructions and don't pick up flowers. Growing flowers your locality and neighborhood. Yes. Next, Nagaraja. Look, there are flowers even in the pound. Next, Nagaraja will say, look, there are flowers even in that pound. What is the means of pound? Pound means in Kannada, Saravara. You ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ Saravara. In that. Next, teacher, children, name 3 flowers that grow in water. Next, teacher will say the children, name the 3 flowers that are growing in water. Children, name the 3 flowers growing in water. Okay, first one, lotus, you know. Second one, lily, and third one, the flower of Olfia, a water plant of India, is the smallest flower. It is the one of the growing in water. Okay, there are the 3 flowers names growing in water. And next, in this lesson, afterwards this talking together the teacher and students, girls, then what are the uses of the flowers. In this lesson, someone discussion about in the uses of flowers. Okay, there are so many different types of the flowers and different colors, shapes already I have learned about you. Okay. In this lesson, flowers say, I am in the garden, used to worship the God. You know, we are using the flowers to Lord. The garlands are fine. You know, student, garlands means in Kannada, male, huvina male, used for decoration. I am the food for honeybee. You have learned about in the previous classes, last lesson. Okay, honeybee have food, honeybee have nectar the flowers. I am the food for honeybee and medicines for the disease. For example, hibiscus flower medicines for the people. Okay, my fragrance in the perfume. My users are plenty. Okay. So children, you collect some different types of flowers and identify the different shapes, different types of petals and different types of fragrance. Do this practical and understand. Okay.